Today I'll show you how to make your own mosaic house numbers. They're a great weekend project that adds a personal touch to the front of your home, and they're surprisingly easy to customize with different colors and tile patterns. Let's get started. Start by printing or sketching your house number, then trace it onto the backing board. If your numbers will be installed outdoors, I recommend using a cement backing sheet as it stands up much better to the weather than timber. If you're planning to screw the numbers to a wall or fence, now's also the perfect time to drill your mounting holes before any tiles go on. If you prefer not to have visible fixings, you can install them later with a quality exterior construction adhesive instead. Lay your mosaic pieces over the design without any glue. This dry run lets you experiment with different colours, shapes and layouts until you're happy with the look. Try to keep the spacing between each piece fairly consistent. Around 2 or 3 millimeters works well and leaves enough room for the grout later. Once you're happy with the layout, it's time to start gluing. Work in small sections so the adhesive doesn't skin over before you place the tiles. Apply a thin layer of tile adhesive, then press each piece firmly into place, following your design as you go. Some pieces will need trimming to fit neatly around the curves or tight corners. Tile nippers make this quick and easy. When cutting mosaic tiles or broken ceramics, always wear safety glasses and gloves. Continue until you've completed the number. Then leave the adhesive to cure according to the manufacturer's instructions. Once it's fully dry, you can fill in the background around the number. Choosing a contrasting colour for the background helps the numbers stand out and makes them much easier to read from the street. After the adhesive has fully cured again, it's time to grout. Using a gloved hand, work the grout across the surface in circular motions, making sure to fill every gap between the tiles. Once all the joints are filled, scrape away excess grout. Allow it to firm up slightly before wiping the surface with a damp cloth. This removes the grout haze while leaving the joints full and neat. After the grout has completely cured, give the surface a final polish with a clean, dry cloth to remove any remaining haze. If your house numbers will be exposed to weather, applying a grout sealer is a worthwhile final step. Now all that's left is to mount your finished house numbers. Depending on the surface, either use suitable masonry fixings or a quality exterior construction adhesive. Once they're installed, you've got a unique set of handmade house numbers that'll make your home easier to find while adding plenty of personality and street appeal.